Hello, dear students, and welcome back to mathematics class for class 7. We will be continuing with chapter 13, exponents and power. All right? We have already finished the concepts in the previous class. Today, we will start with the exercise, that is exercise 13.1. It is on page number 252. So please turn with me to page 252. Let's start with the first question. The question is, find the value of. All right. So what is given? 1 is 2 to the power 6. So we have to find the value for 2 to the power 6. Okay. So solution, 2 to the power 6 means 2 you have to multiply 6 times. 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 you are multiplying 6 times. So when you multiply this, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8, 2, 16, 16, 2, 32, 32, 2, you get 64. All right? So this is the first question. Let's move on to the next question. These questions are rather simple. You simply have to identify the exponent, and once you identify the exponent, multiply the base as many times as the exponent is given. All right? Here, 9 to the power 3. That means 9 into 9 into 9. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Because the exponent is 3. All right? So when we multiply 9 3 times, 9 into 9, 81 into 9, 9, 1, 9, 9, 8, 72. So we're getting 729. All right? So by looking at the exponent, you will multiply the base as many times as the exponent is given. All right? Question number 1, 3. 11 to the power 2 or 11 square. So simply means you multiply 11 how many times? 2 times. So if you multiply 11 2 times, we get 121. All right? Let's look at the next one. 5 to the power 4. So 5 to the power 4 means you multiply 5 how many times? 4 times. Okay? So 5, 5, 25, 5, 5, 25. 25 into 25. So we're getting 6 to 5. Okay? So with this, we end question number 1. Let's move on to the next question. The next question is, it's quite simple. Express the following in exponential form. So we have already learned about the exponential form. Just for your understanding, I also mentioned that it is a short form. Okay. So here the question is 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. So to write this in exponential form, we can write like this. Its exponential form is, it means this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 6s. So I will first write 6. And then, since there are 4 of them, I will write the power 4. All right? Because this is being multiplied 4 times, I am writing 6 to the power 4. Okay? So the similar thing will be applied for all the questions. T into T. Okay? You don't literally have to multiply T and T. What you're going to do is, you're going to check. How many T's? 2 T's. So this T will be your base and the number of T's will be your exponent. Okay? This T's will be your common base and the number of T. How many T's? 2. So T to the power 2. If there were 3, you would write T to the power 3. All right? But here we have only 2. So we are going to write T to the power 2. Similarly, for question C, Question 3, you will you have been given b into b into b. So I think you can try that. It's very easy. Just count the number of b's and you will get the answer. All right. Let's look at the fourth one. 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7. So here, if you look, you will see that these 5 and 5, all right, and these are 7, 7, 7. So two different bases, right? So here, let's combine these two. 2 5s, so 5 to the power 2. 5 into 5 means 5 2 times. So 5 to the power 2. 7, 1, 2, 3. So 7 3 times. Okay, this is quite simple, all right? You simply have to understand how many bases, which are the base and how many times the base is being multiplied. Okay, let's look at the next exercise. 2 into 2 into a into a. So I have already mentioned earlier, we're not going to multiply them, we're going to write them in the exponential form. All right, so 2 into 2, we have two 2's, that means 2 to the power 2. All right, into a. So 1a, and then how many a is being multiplied how many times? 2 times. So like this, 2 to the power 2 into a to the power 2. All right. So this is about expression of exponential form. Now the rest I will leave for you to try at home. It's all similar. Just identify the different bases and the number of times they are multiplying. All right. 3. Express each of the following numbers using exponential notation. So here, exponential notation. Exponential form is different. Exponential notation is different now. Now, to write this in exponential notation means expanded, okay? It's like more like expanded form. So 512, to write in exponential notation, I will prime factorize it, okay? So to begin with, since it is ending with 2, I will start with 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 1 in hand, it becomes 11. 2 into 5 is 10. 1 in hand, it becomes 12. 2 into 6 is 12. Similarly, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 8. 2, 6, 2, 4. 2, 3, 2, 2. 2, 1, 2, 6. 2, 8. 2, 4. 2, 2. 2, 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 2's. That means when I factorize 512, I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 2's, okay? So this is the exponential notation. These are the factors. And these factors, when I write it in short form, as we learned earlier, in short form, what we are going to do, we're going to count the number of 2's here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means 2 is being multiplied 9 times. All right. We have already learned about this. This was an example taken in the previous concept class. So exponential form, exponential notation, they are similar, they are same, and you're going to express this number, big number, as an exponential notation, as the multiplication of 2. All right. So when you represent 512 as a multiplication of 2's, you are showing it as an exponential notation. All right. Let's look at a different number, one more number. We may not be able to finish all the exercise, all the questions in the exercises, but let's try to solve as many as possible. 343. 343. Let's start with 7. 7 into 4 is 28, 63, 9. 7 into 7 is 49. 7 into 1 is 7. So when you factorize this, when I factorize 3 for 3, I get 7 into 7 into 7. All right? So when you multiply this, you're going to get 343 only. So this, you will identify which is the base. You can see that 7 is your base, and 7 is being multiplied 1, 2, 3, 3 times. So that 3 will be your exponent. Okay? So this is your exponential form. Similarly, for 729, 3125, you can try this at home. They are all similar, same step, all right? Prime factorization. If you know how to factorize, it'll be very easy for you to identify solve these questions, all right? Let's move on to the next question. The next question is identify the greater number, all right? So they are asking us to identify the greater number wherever possible in each of the following. So here they have given us question number 4, 1. The question is 4 to the power 3 or 3 to the power 4. So they want us to identify which is greater, all right? So to see which is greater, first let's look at 4 to the power 3. 4 to the power 3 means 4 into 4 into 4. You multiply this, 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 4, you're getting 64. All right? Now let's check 3 to the power 4. That means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 4 times because exponent is 4. All right? So 3 into 3, 3 into 3, you're getting 81. Right? 3 3 is a 9, 3 3 is a 9. 9 into 9, 81. All right? So by looking at this, you can say that, therefore, 3 to the power 4 is greater. Right? The base here is 4, the base here is 3. But it doesn't mean that this is bigger than this. All right? When you solve it, you can see that, you find that 3 to the power 4 is greater than 4 to the power 3. All right? So similarly, you can try solving all the questions. Let's move on to the next question, question number 5. All right, question number 5. Express each of the following as product of powers of their prime factors. Question number 5, 1, 648. So here we simply have to prime factorize. So 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 1 is 2, 1 in hand, 2 into 6, 2, 2. 2, 8, 2, 1. Now we'll go to 3, 3 into 2, 3 into 7, 3 into 9, 3 into 3 is 9, 3 into 1 is 3. So we have 1, 2, 3. So when we factorize 648, we get 2 into 2 into 2, 3 2s, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 4s. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. All right. So this I can write as 2 is being multiplied 3 times, so 2 to the power 3, and 3 is being multiplied 4 times, so I can write. All right. So this is all about expressing the number as a product of their prime factors. Okay, these are your prime factors. All right, children. So with this, we'll move on to the next question. The next question is quite simple. There's nothing to be confused about here. So the question says simplify. Simplify, it means make it simple. All right? Make it simple. The question is 2 into 10 to the power 3. So let's find the solution. Now this, to make it simple, means multiply everything. Okay? Multiply everything. That means 2 only one time. And this 10 is being multiplied how many times? 3 times. So you write 10 into 10 into 10. So if you multiply this 10 3 times, you will get 1 into 1 into 1 is 1, 0, 0, 0, 3 zeros. So, all right. And 2 into 1000 is 2000. All right. So this is your simplified form. The simplified form for 2 into 10 to the power 3. Let's look at another example. 7 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2. So this is nothing but 7 to the power 2 is 7 into 7. 2 to the power 2 is 2 into 2. So 49 into 4. So when you multiply 49 into 4, we get 196. So this is the simplified form of these factors, okay, the prime factors given here, or the factors given here. All right. So when the question comes as simplify, you simply have to multiply. Multiply all the numbers given. All right. Let's look at a different question. Here, 0 into 10 to the power 2. So the solution, 0 into 10 to the power 2 means 10 into 10. 0 into d, if you multiply these two, you get 100. 0 into any number, yes, you get 0. 0 you multiply with any number. 0 into 1000, 0 into 1 lakh, you still get 0. Okay? So your answer here is 0. So the rest of the questions are also similar. Let's move to question number 7. Question number 7 is also simplify. And the first question is minus 4 to the whole power 3. Now please look here. Minus 4 bracket and 3. Minus 4 to the whole 3. That means even this minus 3 is being multiplied 3 times. Okay. Even this minus 3 is being multiplied 3 times. That means, please look here, minus into minus into minus. 1, 2, 3. And then 4 also 3 times. That means minus 4, minus 4, minus 4 is being multiplied 3 times. All right. So when you multiply the minus first, minus into minus, if you multiply these two, you get plus. But plus into minus, see, for example, minus into minus, you're getting plus. Now plus again, you have to multiply with this minus. So plus into minus, you're getting minus. All right. So when you multiply minus 3 times, you get minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus. So 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 4, 64. So your answer here is minus 64. Okay. Let's look at another example. 2 minus 3 into minus 2 to the power 3. Now, this is minus 3 only one time, right? And minus 2 is being multiplied 3 times, okay? 3 times. So, minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, right? So, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. So, your answer will be plus, okay? So, multiply this 3 into 2 into 2 into 2, 8. So, you are getting plus 24. Or you can simply write 24. So if you don't write any sign here, it means plus. Okay? All right. Let's look at a similar type of question. Question 4. Minus 2 to the power 3 into minus 10 to the power 3. So this means minus 2 is being multiplied 3 times and minus 10 is also being multiplied 3 times. All right. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. So our sign will be plus. 2 into 2 into 2, 8 into 3 times. So 8 into 1000 is 8000. All right. So this is all about simplifying. When you say simplify, it means you have to multiply all the numbers given. All right. All the numbers and signs given here. Okay. So with this, we will come to the end of this exercise and this video. I will see you again in the next class. We will continue with the next exercise, that is exercise 13.2. So I'll see you again very soon. Please take care till then and stay safe. Bye-bye.